Okay, so today I'm back in the studio. I think this is gonna be my last session this week, so I'm gonna cook something up and see what I can come up with. And today I'm just gonna use the speakers. I'm not gonna be using headphones because I always use headphones in my videos, but today I'm gonna use speakers. So we'll see how it's gonna come out. It's gonna be really fun editing. In case there's gonna be some feedback, because obviously what's coming out of the speakers is gonna be going into the mic, but we'll see what happens with this kind of setup. Okay, anyway, let's begin. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new instrument here. Okay, I don't want that, so I'm gonna search for a piano. So I'm gonna pick this grand piano with pad. Let's see how that sounds. Okay, I like that piano there. So I'm gonna play some chords. I'm gonna start with some chords first. I'm gonna make sure my metronome is on as usual, and then I'm gonna create a loop so that it loops, and then I'm gonna record something. Okay, I like those chords, but I think I can make the loop even longer. I think I'm gonna go for 8 bars. So I'm gonna go up to 9, and I'm gonna bring this back, and then I'm gonna remove that. Let's create a MIDI region like this. And no, don't loop. I'm gonna go like that, and then I'm gonna make it bigger so you can see the notes as I play them. I think I like that. Okay, so it was okay, cool. So I remember. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, okay, I love these chords. I love these chords. Let me quantize. Okay, so I'm just gonna select everything, and I'm gonna make sure I drop the velocity down because I think they are pretty tough. Like the way they are just so aggressive. Nah, I think that's too soft now. That's too soft. Let's do it like this. That's much better. I like how it sounds now. I'm gonna go into synthesizers and I'm gonna look for another sound. Okay, I like how that's sounding, so I'm gonna record that in. Okay, so I recorded this lead in there, and I think I'm gonna delete that first note there, and I'm gonna quantize all of this. And I just played around with the cutoff. I like it nice and dark like this. I'm going to create another instrument, and let's go into arpeggiator and go into bells. I haven't used bells in a while. Ooh, I like how that sounds. I think I'm gonna record that. Wow, that sounds good, bro. That sounds amazing. Quantize. I think I'm gonna go back into these arpeggiated sound. Okay, let's go into acoustic, ethnic, percussion drum. What the hell? Nah, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Abort, abort. Okay, let's look for a pluck. Okay, so I'm gonna record this in. Okay, I think that sounds good. Oh, I love those bells, bro. They've got the kind of like a percussion sound that I would have never come up with on my own. Summertimes, what is this? Let's try this. Ooh, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna record this in. Just like that. That's kind of like an arpeggiated sound. It's like a tongue twister. Arpeggiated. Arpeggiated. That's hard to say. You say it 10 times in a row. Let's see how you pronounce it. Okay, I like what I did there. I think I'm gonna make another copy of that and then just change the sound. And I'm gonna go back into synthesizers and go back into leads and look for something that I can use as a layer with the sound, something different. Okay, that's good. So this is a sound that I can always just play around with the cutoff later on to build energy with. And I think what I want to do with this sound is I want to add a stereo delay to it. Okay, now let's add some bass. Okay, I found a nice bass sound here. I think this works for this kind of house. Let me record that in. Okay, quantize that. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a second bass. Okay, so I found this bass here. Something like that. I don't know what the hell I was playing, but I like it. Okay, that one. So these notes sound perfect to me. Okay, let me make this bigger like this and just loop this section here. Matter of fact, I can just keep that and back. Okay, I like that. And I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to this sound here and I'm gonna come to the automation and I'm gonna create some automation right here. I'm gonna make it go up like this. I'm gonna create points and then I'm gonna make it go up. Okay, time to turn off the metronome. You know what time it is. That's time now to add some drums, right? Okay, I think I can select this section here. I think I like that. That can repeat. And then I can just copy that over. Haha, I love how this is coming along, bro. And then I can throw in a kick. So I'm gonna go into my samples, which you can find in the links down below. Drop a kick in there. Let's see what happens if I do kind of like a 3-step. Okay, I think this 3-step is not working. I think I'm gonna go back to 4 to the floor. It's always a good idea to try and find and see what kind of a kick groove works, because you might want to do a 3-step, or you might find a groove that works nice instead of just going for the usual 4 to the floor. And let me go into my Afro loops. Let me pick this loop here. And I'm gonna split this one in half. And I'm just gonna loop it as is, like that. Let me try and pick another one. And I'm gonna select somewhere in the middle here. Ooh, I like that middle part. And then I'm just gonna copy that over. If I do this, boom, 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 boom. And then I'm gonna add some atmosphere to this. Okay, so let me throw in this loop, see how it's gonna work with the track. I'm not really sure about that loop. Let me know what you think down below. Ooh, I like that conga sound there. Let me loop that. And I'm gonna add this clave loop. Ooh, I like this vocal sound here. I think I'm gonna add this vocal here. I think that actually sounds good. Hey, that sounds good, bro. Okay, so now time to kind of arrange it a little bit, because I know I've just been working on this track in like a loop, like just that 8-bar loop. So time to just make it make sense. Okay, after adding some final touches, this is where the track stands right now. So let's take a listen to it. Anyway, that's the track. Let me know what you think down below. I feel like it came out really nice. I like to create my tracks in kind of like loops so that I can see the whole picture of how it's gonna build up going into the B section, where everything just comes in and the energy just goes like push, and everything just explodes like that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. You can check out these videos that are on screen right now if you want to watch more of my videos. Otherwise, you can drop me a comment down below and also drop me a like. I'm X and I'm out. Peace.